at Key to Success Academy, DDU Nagar, Raipur. And as you know, we have started a series where we are discussing the top 10 most important PYQs from very important works from each literary ages in British literature. And previously, we have discussed PYQs from Canterbury Tales. We have discussed PYQs from William Shakespeare's Hamlet. And again, today we are going to discuss a very, very important work in English literature. I believe if there has been no English paper where you will not get any even a single question from Paradise Lost. So this is a very, very important class, and here we are going to discuss Milton's Paradise Lost. Before getting started, I would just like to tell you about our special offer. So this offer is for both offline students and as well as the online students. Under this offer, the offline student will get a lifetime validity. So until and unless you crack either UGC NET or CG set, you are allowed to sit in the class and get yourself coached. And for online classes, under this offer, the validity has been extended by 1 more year. So now we are getting a validity of 2 years. The fees is 1999, which is approximately 20,000. For offline students, the fees is 2199, which is approximately 22,000. Now, before joining any of these batches, you can surely avail for free demo classes, which will help you to decide whether you want to opt for this coaching or not. And these are the two numbers. If you have any doubts regarding this offer or if you have any general inquiry, you can straight away dial any of these numbers and get your queries resolved. Now, these are all the subjects which are covered under this offer. So that's it. Now let's get started with our quiz. So today we are discussing Milton's Paradise Lost. The first question is, in book 1, what does John Milton explicitly state in the central purpose and grand theme of his epic poem? To retell the complete history of England, to justify the ways of God to men, to scientifically explain the creation of the universe, to fiercely condemn the English monarchy. मेन पर्पस क्या है जॉन मिल्टन के पैराडाइज लॉस्ट लिखने का मेन पर्पस क्या है जो उन्होंने पहले बुक में ही अपना एक्सप्लेन किया है द आंसर इज टू जस्टिफाई द वेज ऑफ गॉड टू men. Who is arguably the most complex and debated character in Paradise Lost, famously viewed by romantic poets like Blake and Shelley as the tragic hero? Adam, the son Jesus, God the Father, and Satan. The answer is Satan, है ना? After falling from heaven, the rebel angels construct a magnificent, massive capital city in hell. What is it called? है ना जो हेवन से जब हेल पे गिर जाते हैं एंजल्स तो एक बहुत ही अच्छी सिटी बनाते हैं उस सिटी का क्या नाम है टटैरस गमोरा बेबल पेंडेमोनियम द आंसर इज पेंडेमोनियम ना इसका मतलब भी देख लो मिल्टन ने नाम क्यों दिया है बिकॉज इन ग्रीक इट मीन्स ऑल डीमंस which fallen angel, formerly a renowned builder in heaven, serves as the chief architect of hell's capital city, Beelzebub, Mammon, Mulciber, Moloch. The answer is Beelzebub. In book 3, how does Satan successfully manage to trick Uriel, the archangel, fiercely guarding the sun, to find the newly created earth by magically turning entirely invisible, by engaging him in combat and defeating him, by disguising himself as a young innocent cherub, by bribing him with jewels from hell? The answer is by disguising himself as a young innocent cherub. When Satan arrives at the gates of hell to leave for earth, he is confronted by two terrifying figures. Who are they? Sin and death, chaos and night, Moloch and Belial, pain and sorrow. किससे मुलाकात होती है सेटन की? सेटन की मुलाकात होती है सिन एंड डेथ. In book 9, what specific deceptive argument does Satan, in the form of a serpent, primarily use to persuade Eve to eat the forbidden fruit? He threatens to murder Adam if she refuses. He promises that she will become a god with infinite knowledge. He tells her that God secretly commanded her to eat it. He claims the fruit will make her physically immortal. क्या है? उनको प्रॉमिस करता है कि वो गॉड बन जाएंगी. Prior to the fall, which sociable archangel is sent by God to instruct Adam, warn him of Satan, and relate the epic story of the war in heaven? Michael, Gabriel, Raphael, Uriel. The answer is Raphael. Raphael को भेजा गया था गॉड के द्वारा ताकि एडम को चेतावनी दे दे. Immediately after both Adam and Eve have eaten the forbidden fruit, what is their very first reaction and behavioral changes? They feel intense divine spiritual enlightenment. They experience overwhelming carnal lust and fall into a drunken sleep. They immediately repent, weeping and praying to God. They aggressively attack one another in a fit of rage. The answer is they experience overwhelming carnal lust and fall into a drunken sleep. At the conclusion of the epic, which archangel shows Adam a vision of the future and then gently but firmly leads Adam and Eve out of the Garden of Eden? Michael, Raphael, the son of Gabriel. कौन सा आर्कएंजल है जो उनको फ्यूचर का एक दृश्य दिखाता है और इनको गार्डन ऑफ ईडन से हटा देता है, निकाल देता है ना? कौन है? माइकल. ठीक है. So that's it about today's class. There are several more questions from Paradise Lost, obviously, but in a short video we can only cover at max 10 or 12 questions only. And again, in our subsequent videos, you will get top 10 PYQs from another different foundational works from English literature. And if you like the video, do like it on YouTube. I would love to interact with you in the comment section. If you have any doubts or any feedback, I would love to hear you or see your messages in the comment section. If you have any doubts, you can get them resolved from the description box below. So thank you for your time and have a great day.